Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tisai speaking. If you want to see how I achieve this color on this human hair unit, stay tuned. Right, so this is the unit before color. So as you can see, it's just a regular natural hair color. And to use, well, what I'm going to use is just some bleaching powder, nothing special. And of course, I just used what I had. So I had these 3 bottles and I'm using a bit of each of them. And basically, it's to get the consistency thick, not too runny. And I'm going to do a bleach bath. So basically I'm dunking the entire wig into water with the bleaching agent mixed with the water. So I'll just stop talking for now and you're gonna see the rest of the process. Bye.
Head in the clouds, and I'm not coming down. I used to swim, now I'm ready to sink. I wanna give you what I cannot do.
Wake up, same thing again. Rise out of bed, roll it up with the blend. They say old habits die hard in the end, so it no matter how hard I pretend.
Loud City.
It's Calibots and the movement, yeah. Bobby Hustle, na. Such a clean habit, yeah. Boy. You know I gotta have it, it ain't gonna lead nowhere. Except the many leeches and the people with the power, but nobody cares. Cause all I do is sit and dream about drinking and women and music. It's just gonna give me another reason to use and abuse it. But still I gotta, I live and I learn. All I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn. All I wanna do is burn. And so I light it up.
Right, so this is how it looks after I rinsed out the bleach and left it to dry overnight. Y'all, this is becoming a process, but let's stick with it. So I'm going to color it now with just regular box dye that I bought at the pharmacy. I wanted something brighter, but I wasn't sure what I wanted until I realized, well, this is what I have. When I bleached it with the bath, I believe I put a little bit too much water too much water mixed with the bleach. So going forward, I know that I have to put less water. Anyway, keep watching and you shall see how I ended up with the color that I did. So this is the final product from the first bleach and color. I had to go back in to do some highlights and a brighter color because it just did not work out for me that first time. So yeah, I hope you learn from my mistakes and yeah, let's take it in. This is basically the end product of my double bleach and double color. Yeah, I put this wig through some things, but I like how it came out, as in I like the coloring. This is the coloring I wanted, a sort of honey blonde highlighted. I didn't want it too much lighter, as in I didn't want the entire wig blonde, but I wanted some blonde highlights, and this is what I got, even though I made a few mistakes along the way. The back isn't as stretched out, but the front a little bit stringier than curly. The consistency of the water was too watery, so at least I know what to do next time. It had a good amount of shedding because of all of that as well, but this hair is supposed to be, I think, 150 density thick, and with it dry it's still giving me a lot of body and I don't mind it. So yeah, that's it basically for this video, and next time I get bored I'm going to color synthetic unit. Stay tuned for that.